Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to continue where we left off from the previous episode. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this clutch master cylinder. I want to focus on checking out the S13 clutch pedal. Let's remove this for now. Alright, let's set this to the side. And then let's go check the S13 clutch pedal. Alright. Okay, so underneath the dashboard here again, the S13 clutch pedal and the brake pedal. Alright, so on a previous episode, like I mentioned, I would like to cut the R32 brake pedal by half. So I was thinking maybe I should just copy the S13 clutch pedal for the brake pedal. By doing that, I may have to do a template. I'll take these pads out. All these pads are just a slip-on, so you can just take it out. Alright, pretty straightforward. Alright, come on. Okay, so these are just pads, rubber pads. So I'm gonna take these off, take the S13 off. So I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna outline it to be exact like the S13. So that way I could just cut it. And also I could just order another S13 pads for the brake pedal, so that way it could be all the same. So tonight I'm not gonna cut it, but tonight I'm gonna focus on doing the template, and then tomorrow morning I could start cutting it. Right now it's about 9 or 10 o'clock right now. Alright, also I would like to show you guys something. Let's see here. Alright, so right now I'm like upside down. Okay, so this is the clutch, the S13 clutch pedal assembly. So like I was saying, this hole right here I may have to drill. The other thing is that I've noticed, if I push this pedal all the way against the firewall, I noticed that right there, that hole right there, that's where the lock switch, so it lined up direct to it. I could put a bolt right there, and then that way I can secure the pedal a little bit better. And then yeah, alright, so right now we're gonna take the pedal out, and then copy that template. Alright, so oh, what a struggle trying to get this thing out of here. Okay, so we're gonna take these pads out, and then let's make a template. Wow, this thing on here pretty good. Then I'm just gonna rip it off. I'm gonna buy some new ones anyway, so yeah, what the heck. It's kind of hard to do it in one hand. I may have to invest a tripod, you know. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, wow. Oh, such a hard time. It's all rusted. Rusting inside here. Whew. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy the pedal here. Same design. Hopefully that it will be identical or close to it. Alright, so all you need is a piece of paper or marker and trace the outline. Alright, let's do it. So once you have your piece of paper and then the pedal is facing down, and then we're gonna draw the outline. And there you go. Hopefully once I cut this out, and hopefully it's somewhat be identical to the S13 clutch pedal. Alright, so I'm going to cut it out and let's mock it up. Alright, so I cut it out and let's take a look and see if it match. Okay, so start for the end of the brake pedal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It match. Okay, so you know what that means. All I have to do is make a line on the other side, then cut. Alright, not too bad. Okay, so you know, just like that. Maybe some trimming is necessary, will be necessary, so okay. Okay, now I'll make that line right there. And tomorrow morning I'm just gonna cut, that way I don't disturb the neighborhood. Okay, so that means I have to order 2 pads. So alright, we're getting somewhere. Take a day at a time, that's all I can do. And thank you guys for being patient. Yeah. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna cut the
brake pedal, and then let's get started. Today I'm gonna be busy, and today is my wife's birthday, so please wish her a happy birthday, and I appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I put a plastic bag, that way, you know, I can try to catch all the metal shaving and stuff like that. Okay, so let me go dig up my power tool saw, and let's cut this baby out. Alright, so here's the power tool saw. Hopefully this will do it. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, let's get this thing started. Since that I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna do a before and after. Before I get started, to be sure, safety #1 priority. Always wear goggles, protect yourself, okay? Okay. Alright. There you have it. That's the aftermath. I'm very impressed with that power tool. Without that, I wouldn't be able to cut it. Good thing that, you know, you have that power tool. Alright. So next thing, I'm gonna clean all this stuff right here. I'm not that quite done yet, but you know, for now I'm gonna have to trim all these edges. They're pretty rough too, so I'll probably I don't have a filer, so I'm gonna have to go buy me a filer and, you know, file it down and make it smooth. That way, you know, it doesn't cut myself. Alright. Well, I have a visitor here with me, and let's go say hello. What? Who is this? Who are you? Huh? Hi, Maya. Say hello. Speak. Speak. Maya, speak. Good girl. All right. Ooh. Be a good girl. Oh, all right. Come on. You gonna help me? Huh? You're gonna help me today or what? Or you just gonna slack off? Huh? Gonna help me? You're gonna help me put the transmission in? Okay. Good girl. Sit. Maya, sit. Good girl. Paul. Good girl. Say bye. Bye. Alright. Alright, stay. Alright, let's get back to the car here. Alright, so let's test it out. Okay, okay. Not too bad. So I'm gonna put the S13 clutch pedal, and let's see the difference. I'm sure that the S13 pedal, the clutch pedal, is not interfering anymore, so we should have a lot of clearance. So let's check it out. There you have it, an S13 clutch pedal. Ah, that's good. not too bad. What do you guys think? Pretty good? Pretty lame? Alright. Okay, so my next thing is I'm going to drill a hole to that S13 clutch pedal bracket. Drill a hole to the firewall, that way I can have a bolt holding on the bottom. And that should do it. And then put the clutch master cylinder in there and get hooked up. And hopefully that we can start taking that shifter off. I am so ready. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to get a marker and mark it, and then hopefully that there's nothing on the other side of the firewall that will interfere while I'm drilling. You know, I don't want to drill something that I don't know. So let's hope not. Alright, so now I took the clutch pedal out, and I marked I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a marker right there, so that's where I'm gonna drill. I don't have any drill bits right now, so I'm gonna have to stop by at Home Depot and find out what size that I need. So that would be another day, because like I said, today's my wife's birthday, so yeah, we're gonna set this on the side for now, and until next time.